So say what you're about to do.
Son, you claim swallowing cinnamon is gonna make me choke. Let's see. Look how much that shit is, son.
But you got some fucking...
Got water on standby just in case you wasn't lying.
Got some wet throat. Look at your wet throat ready.
Yeah, nigga.
Drink some of that water.
What you think I'm doing, nigga? I'm trying to save some saliva. I'm about to take a little sip of water, you know. Hold up. I'm not trying to die, man.
Don't hold it in, though. That's it. There you go.
Let's go. Ready? Steady?
Come on, come on.
Go ahead.
Don't pour it out. Don't. Ow! My stomach
Let me see your mouth. Let me see your mouth.
Oh shit! My stomach. My stomach hurts. You gotta be a tough experience.
Yo!
Yo, I'm gonna just put it on YouTube ASAP, yo.
At the point.
Say bye to the camera.
Fuck this shit.